Okay, good afternoon everyone. How are you this afternoon? Okay, so today we're going to learn about, anyone can guess what we're going to learn today? Thank you. So today we're going to learn about compound sentence. So, anyone knows what is compound sentence? Is made by joining two independent clauses together with a conjunction. So, what is independent clause? Do you know what is independent clause? I think all of you here already know because we already learned last meeting, right? So, any volunteer? Okay, Eon, what is independent clause?
Independent clause is an alone as a simple sentence.
Okay, thank you. That's correct. And so a compound sentence consists of two independent clauses joined together by a comma and a coordinating conjunction. So the coordinating conjunctions are one voice. So what is F? Do you know? Describe because and why, and for the n describe showing additional information, and nor for this nor either, and but for describe contrast or describe a choice, making a choice, and yet is for to describe a contrast, and so to describe as a result of something. So this is a sentence. As you can see, I drink green tea. What is I drink green tea? You know what is? I mean, what is a kind of clause? Is I drink green tea?
Independent.
Yes, that's right. An independent clause. So this clause could stand alone as a sentence, which means is an independent clause, and for but is the coordinating conjunction. So there is independent clause, and compound sentence at least has two independent clause. So I drink green tea is the independent clause because it can stand alone, and also they drink coffee. It's independent clause because it can stand alone. And for the next part will be presented by.
Okay, class. To make sure you are really understand, I will show you a video.
The compound sentence. The compound sentence is a sentence containing two or more independent clauses, connected by a coordinating conjunction such as and, but, or. You can visualize it something like this. Here are our independent clauses, and here they are linked together by one of our coordinating conjunctions, and, but, or. Remember, as we learnt in our video on independent clauses, you can also think of an independent clause as a single, complete thought. So, what does all of this look like in reality? Here's an example. I opened the door, and I went outside. Notice that both of our independent clauses are single, complete thoughts, and that each could stand on its own as a simple sentence. Here are a few more examples to illustrate how this works. Morton was starving, and Webster was full. Again, notice that we've got two complete thoughts of equal importance linked by our coordinating conjunction, and that each could be a sentence on its own. Here's another example. Morton loves basketball, but Webster loves football. And finally, should Webster have a hot dog, or should he have some popcorn? Lastly, don't forget that compound sentences are made up of two or more independent clauses connected by and, but, or. This means that you can link as many independent clauses or complete thoughts together as you like to make a compound sentence, so long as each of your clauses is a single complete thought and each is linked using one of our coordinating conjunctions. So you could put together a sentence something like this. Webster went shopping, and then he chopped the ingredients, and then he stirred the soup. But he burnt the main course, and this left him sad and hungry. The key is to make sure that you fully understand what a complete thought is, and that you remember to link each one together with an appropriate conjunction.
Okay, so far, any question about our lesson? Do you understand about our lesson today? Yes. So, how you identify a sentence? It is a compound sentence. I will give you an example. The student finished class and they went to the lunch. So if you identify the sentence have two independent clauses and then the fun boys. So let me ask Kevin, can you read?
Kevin did not want to hurt Bella's feeling, so he said nothing about her mistake.
Do you think it is a compound sentence?
Yes.
Can you explain why with your own words?
Because it has soul.
Yes,
Yes, the
correct.
conjunction.
And then there are
Both are independent clause.
okay, thank you. And how about number 3? Merlin, can you answer number 3? This is a. Do you think this is a compound sentence?
Yes.
Why?
It has or is a part of fun voice conjunction or related conjunction fun voice.
Yes, it's correct. Okay. So today, our exercise today, you can identify this sentence with a fun voice, like my friend explained you before. So I will ask you one by one. For number 1. Can Alicia's group answer? What is the answer? Number 1. You read the sentence first. You can read the sentence first.
The door is locked.
Do you think this sentence? But is it correct? No? Why? Evan, can you answer? The answer is you can use and. So Alicia, can you read it again with Fun Boys and?
The door is locked. And I don't have a key.
Yes, good. Number 2, can Mary's group answer? Let me ask Echi. Can you answer number 2 with a fun voice?
I don't like sports.
answer?
I don't like having short nails, but I can't stop doing them.
Yes, true. And number 4, Aries group.
That will either laugh about the thread or he will get angry.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Number 4. Do you think?
Oh, number 4.
Yes.
Number 5. Number 4. He signed up for an acting class because he hopes to become an actor someday.
Is it correct? With B, because not fanboy. So Ariel, you yes, correct. Thank you. And for the last question is Ryan's group. Can you answer?
I'm exhausted, so I'm going to bed early tonight.
Okay, correct. And to sum out our lesson today, how you identify the compound sentence, you have to make sure in the sentence you have 2 independent clause and then fun boys. So there are 3 steps. The first, write one complete thought, put a comma after it. The second one, select the correct conjunction. And the last, write another complete thought. Make sure your 2 complete thoughts are about the same thing. Okay? I think that's all for today. I hope you all can understand and see you next week.